Hey glow-getters, ready to unlock the secret to radiant skin? It all starts with an easy, effective skincare routine you can do right at home. No fancy treatments, no complicated steps, just simple, proven methods to give your skin the love it deserves. Let's embark on this journey together and achieve that healthy, happy glow we all crave. First things first, cleansing. It's the most crucial step in any skincare routine. Think of this as the foundation of your skincare routine, just like you would with makeup. Throughout the day, your skin battles dirt, pollution, and excess oil, so it's essential to start with a clean slate. This helps in preventing breakouts and other skin issues. Choose a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin, there's a perfect cleanser out there for you. Massage it onto damp skin in circular motions for a minute or two. This not only cleanses, but also boosts circulation. This helps to remove impurities effectively, ensuring your skin is fresh and clean. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid hot water as it can strip your skin of natural oils. Remember, a clean canvas is key to maximizing the benefits of the following steps. Clean skin absorbs products better, making your skincare routine more effective. Next up, we're bringing in the big guns, exfoliation. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Choose a gentle exfoliating scrub and use it 2 to 3 times a week. Apply it to damp skin and massage gently in circular motions. Avoid the delicate eye area. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Don't overdo it. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin. Remember, gentle and consistent is key to achieving that healthy glow. Section 4. Tone up. Toning is often overlooked, but it's a crucial step in restoring your skin's pH balance. It preps your skin to absorb the following products better. After cleansing and exfoliating, apply a gentle toner to a cotton pad and sweep it across your face and neck. Avoid the eye area. You should feel a refreshing sensation as the toner works its magic, balancing and prepping your skin for the next step. Section 5. Daytime routine, hydration, and protection. Now that our skin is cleansed, exfoliated, and toned, let's talk hydration and protection. These steps are essential to maintain healthy, glowing skin throughout the day. During the day, our skin needs moisture to stay plump and supple. Hydration helps to keep the skin barrier strong and resilient against environmental stressors. Apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a perfect moisturizer out there for you. Massage it gently onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. This ensures that your skin gets the maximum benefit from the product. But wait, there's more. The most crucial step in your daytime routine is applying sunscreen. It's not just for sunny days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and windows. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, sunburn, and other skin problems. It's your shield against the sun's damaging effects. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. This ensures protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply it generously to all exposed skin, even on cloudy days. Don't forget areas like your ears, neck, and the back of your hands. Consistent use of sunscreen is key to long-term skin health. Section 6. Nighttime routine, extra TLC for your skin. As the day ends and we prepare for beauty sleep, it's time to give our skin some extra TLC. This is the perfect opportunity to pamper ourselves and ensure our skin gets the care it deserves. Our nighttime routine focuses on repair and rejuvenation. During the night, our skin goes into a natural repair mode, making it the ideal time to use products that support this process. After cleansing, apply a serum targeting your specific skin concerns. Serums are packed with active ingredients that penetrate deeply into the skin, addressing issues like dryness, dullness, and fine lines. Whether it's hydration, brightening, or anti-aging, there's a serum out there for you. Take the time to find one that suits your skin type and needs. Next, indulge in the luxury of eye cream. This step is crucial as the skin around our eyes is thinner and more prone to showing signs of aging. The delicate skin around our eyes needs special attention. Eye creams are formulated to be gentle yet effective, providing hydration and reducing puffiness and dark circles. Gently dab a pea-sized amount of eye cream around your orbital bone, avoiding direct contact with the eyes. Use your ring finger for the lightest touch. Finally, lock in all that goodness with a nourishing night cream. Night creams are typically richer and more hydrating than day creams, providing intense moisture and support for your skin's overnight repair process. This will work its magic overnight, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized in the morning. Consistency is key. Regular use of these products will yield the best results. Stick to your routine morning and night, and don't forget to listen to your skin's needs. Your skin can change due to various factors like weather, diet, and stress. Adjust the products and frequency as necessary. It's important to be flexible and responsive to what your skin is telling you. Remember, beautiful skin is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and take pride in the care you give to your skin every day.